right, we got a little generator here. It's Westinghouse generator 2500. It's not starting, so let me. I'm gonna pull the string and see what's going on. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check the ignition. You getting that in there? Okay, I'm gonna check the ignition. Okay. Plug in there, we're gonna check. Okay. And I'm kind of here with it. See if we get an ignition. Okay, we can see that. Okay. Now for the pool, it's on run. Okay, we got ignition. Okay, and it's full of gas. Oh, you say you put the gas in there last year, didn't you? Okay, yeah, it should be. I'm trying to figure out. Let me see. Get a little squirt of starter fluid and cheat a little bit. We're gonna find out. Let's get a little squirt. See if it'll run on starter fluid. Dang. Stop it there. Drop the little thing. All right, found this little piece here. Oh, look at that right there. Found that little piece there. Fell down in there for me, so I'm gonna give it a little squirt of starter fluid and kind of figure out. Okay, that's the overflow line there. I think it is. Because where is the? We'll figure it out a little bit. Gonna okay. Give us a little squirt. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay. Okay. Okay, we got it on. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, it was running on starter fluid. So okay, so we gotta let me take this off now. Make sure I don't drop it. So it was running on starter fluid. Well, it gotta be something with the why it ain't getting gas. Hold on, let me just do another crank. Then okay. So it's running on starter fluid. But yes, it still should run. I'm about to check the. Okay, we got a fuel filter in here because you only used it one time. Right. Okay. Yeah.
I used to do one in the storm, and I used to last year to cook off when my cousin.
Okay. Now, hold on. So it's something where it's not getting fuel because it'll run on starter fluid, but if you got ignition, just give it another squirt of starter fluid here. Let's see what we got. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put it on there, and okay. So we have an issue with the fuel delivery. So I'm thinking, let me stop it here. Stop here. Put it here. Okay, got it here. Let's stop this reset.
Put it on,
I put it in the middle.
no, it's supposed to be on choke.
I know when you get it on choke, then when it start running, you got to put it on the middle, right?
Let it stay on choke for a minute. Maybe you switch it over.
Okay.
You put it on choke. That's on choke.
It's choke. Come look at it. It's choking.
Yeah, all the way down is choke.
Did it run?
Okay. Did you try that reset?
Yeah, I pushed that. Yeah.
That's on there.
Okay.
How you get to the carburetor?
Carburetor right here.
Did you spray it?
Yeah, I sprayed it. It's running on starter fluid, but it ain't
How you spray it and it ain't open?
So I have to take the line off. Line off. Trying to drop that. Oops. Yeah, that's when it was running. It was running on starter fluid, but it's not running on. Okay. Go ahead and pull it. Go ahead and pull it. It's on. It ain't getting gas. I have to take I want it to see everything's closed. Stop it here.
Probably got water in it.
We shouldn't. We put some fresh gas in there. We're gonna give it a little squirt of starter fluid. And let's see. Kind of thinking I might have a clogged fuel filter. Okay, it's on here, and let's I'm gonna take this off. Take this off. Okay. Okay. See, can we prime it? Okay, so it's running on starter fluid. Let's do that again. Let's see, can we? I'm thinking the fuel filter. I don't know if you see that. The red thing, that's the fuel filter right there. I think we changed that. We might have to get a carburetor. But let's see. We'll put it back on there. Okay. Like it's getting a little bit better here. Let me get this. Okay. Okay, so it's getting a little better. I'm thinking the fuel filter. We need a new fuel filter on there.
It might be.
It's kind of running on starter.
Did you shake the starter fluid up when you sprayed?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's running mostly on starter fluid. So I think we changed that fuel filter. But we're gonna have that locally. The thing. Okay, let's. Okay. Yeah, let me stop it here. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change the fuel filter and see what happens with it. This is a Sunday right now, so everything's closed. So we just gotta see what happens. So all right, we're gonna. Oh shoot, that thing messed up on me. Dang. Stop it here. Look at that. That's the second one of these I went through. These ain't as good as the Easy Red. Look at that switch. All right. Dang, it to be the second time I had to warn. I had to go get my Easy Red here. Even though I did replace the head on this one time, but it's overall, this scratch has barely been used. All I did was accidentally bump it and the switch went out. So anyway, with that side, I just go here and see. See that? Kind of got to remove. Put that there. Now we got to come over here. Another. We're going to clean the filter out, see what happens. Oh, I went the wrong way with it. It's really kind of crammed up in there. Now I should be able to remove this and take this off. Now, some of these wires here. Now let's see if we can get in there. This thing it'll work. Hang on, I thought it'll work. Just turn that way. Let me see, can I get in there? Dang, they must have did all this at the factory. I'm thinking you might have to. There we go. Getting okay. That's still. Okay, it's leaking, so we got that in there. So we gotta get to. Okay, so after we get it. Okay. Okay, I got it. Shoot. Okay. Right. I just blew it out with some starter fluid. Let's see if that's pretty good. You make it easy to work on. Made the hose just a little bit longer. That clip on there. Yeah, I'm trying to.
Hold this too?
Yeah, hold it, yeah. They made the hose just a little bit longer.
That'd have been too much like right.
Yeah. So we had to fight it. It's on there now. Get that little clip and move it. Okay. Now we gotta get it on here.
Oh, you already cleaned it?
Yep, I cleaned it with some starter fluid. If that don't work, then we gotta get a carburetor.
That don't work. I'm gonna throw this motherfucker away. Give it to you and let you work on them 2 years.
I'm kind of sorry the other one.
That's why I bought this anyway, because I didn't have the other one.
Got an oil leak. Take that clip. That's aluminum.
Maybe you need to come from this side.
She gotta get that lined up.
Need a screwdriver right here.
Almost got it. There, almost. Okay. Boy.
Come in your light.
No. Okay, there we go. Woo.
That's why I was saying you need a screwdriver. Something to push that and you can push against it on one end.
Yeah.
bring that down a little bit, don't you? You should try to push it on while you got it squeezed. Yeah. You want me to squeeze it and you push it or whatever?
Yeah.
It's hard to do both. And you know what? Some channel locks might even be there.
Yeah.
No, they probably won't get in there. Okay. Okay.
Trying to do a two-hand job putting the.
Okay, I'm ready. I got it open. It was lined up. Man, I can get it.
I got it lined up. It's tricky though. It's turned into a two-man job here. Oh dang! Hold on, stop. Lift it back a little bit. Okay, we just set it up on the table. See everything. Just give you no room. Make sure that clip's going to the side so I can easily get to it. So this is the fuel line from the gas tank to the carburetor. I just took off the fuel filter and cleaned it. See, can I get in there with this? Maybe hold it over here. I can just get it started like this. Okay, we almost got it started here. There we go. Got it lined up. This table definitely helped. What's that? Okay, a little bit longer ones? Okay. Yeah, I left mine at home, so let's see. Yeah, I got some.
little bit.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Yeah, move this clip to the side. Put some weight. Now, let's see if we got to a two-man job here. Let's get there. Right here. Make sure you.
It's holding it in place, so you have to get the screwdriver and push it from the back. There it is on your left. I'm just holding it so it don't move.
Get it down, get it worse. Yeah. Let it go. Let me get them lined up.
Okay, try to get that up first.
What's that?
Take that, pull the red chip up, the chip of it up first.
And
Okay.
put this down on it.
Okay.
Okay,
Come on,
just
boy.
pull it up.
Okay.
And then you try to put that down on it.
Lined up. Oh, boom. Okay, we got it. It was a two-man job.
So I'm going to clamp it, pull the clamp down.
I'm gonna do it right now. I turn it to the side. Okay.
I want to eat in that rubber. Okay.
Yeah.
You look good. You don't need me no more nowadays.
Well, now we gotta put some gas. I gotta put this back on there.
What about that?
They go on here. So we'll get the thing. I think it's gonna be alright. We gotta put the socket in. I think it's gonna be the fucking rain. Put that on there. Get it started. Okay, then the one on the other side is going to be a little tricky to get to. Hopefully, I won't. Okay. Get that started. Getting that. Okay. Real-time video. Okay, I'm gonna watch it here. Okay. Does the trick. Okay. See if we can squirt a starter fluid. Alright, you got a funnel? Okay. Yeah.
I'll pump another gas back into the lawnmower. So
Okay.
this is all fresh.
Squirt.
Let's put it on the ground first.
Okay, let me put that back on.
So when it starts moving, I don't want to tell you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you spray the box too.
Well, that's the air filter. Well, I can take that little hose off, but this is just the air filter. So hopefully that's it there. And okay. Down. Okay. Stop it here. Okay, we just filled it back up with some fuel, and I filled it up. And now, hopefully that does the trick. It is stay running. We got some fresh gas in there. Put it here. I gave it a little squirt of starter fluid. Cheat a little bit. Okay. So, looking like we're gonna need a carburetor. Let me try it again.
I ain't got no carburetor. Just buying
Blah, blah, blah. Try it again.
Let it stay on choke this time until it's still acting like it's gonna die out.
Okay. 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 Do it again. So. Yes.
Think it's enough gas in there?
Oh yeah. Oh, you stupid thing. It says Sunday right now, so.
My fluid is there.
What fluid?
I have the fluid I keep in
Okay, got it. No, good. Okay. Okay. Like I said, it's Sunday right now, Sunday evening, so ain't nothing open. It's most likely gonna be an online order anyway. We got ignition. It's running on starting fluid, so it's the issue. I wonder. It's a tricky one here. Okay. Okay. All right, let's do another try. Let's see what's going on.
Yeah, when you move that table. Yeah, you had moved that table.
I just moved it over here.
Yeah, but it was laying inside. It probably just went around here.
Yeah, it's inside. It still should be in there. But, all this
No, you flipped it upside down, you know?
no, I just set it down like that. Set it down. Just listen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, let's go one time. Let me check that ignition. Okay, well, okay, so I think we got a bad carburetor on here, which is it's kind of messed up because he only used it once or twice. So, get one more. I'm got that here so I can look at that directly, see how the ignition's going. Make sure that's in there good. Looks like we got weak ignition too.
You don't have spark plugs, do you?
Yeah, that's a spark plug, yeah. But I'm
That really started.
okay. So I'm gonna call it as a carburetor and possible ignition coil. Okay, we weren't able to get it started, as you can see on the last clip. I'm thinking it's got an issue with the carburetor, and that's gonna be a booger. Get in there and pull that out. Maybe it won't be too bad though. It's really crammed up in there. So you only use it once or twice. I think this is also similar to the Harbor Freight one. They got a red one. I think it's the same one. So he's gonna call them up and see. It might be some warranty left on it or something. So yeah, I'm calling it as a bad carburetor after the second or third use.